Welcome to this short tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to create video sales letter using Google Slides. So I'm also going to be teaching you how to record your screen and how to create a simple presentation with Google Slides. So let's go. So what you want to do is create a Gmail account for yourself. If you have a Gmail, I believe most of you watching this have a Gmail. If not, you will not be on YouTube. So once you have a Gmail, automatically Google creates some tools for you under Google Drive. So we have Google Sheets, we have um, Google Docs, and so on. So just type Google Slides. So this is it, and you want to search for this one, Google Slides Sign In, and you click on it. So automatically, if you are logged into your Gmail account, it will take you to the Google Slides for this Gmail account. Now to create a blank presentation, you can delete your presentation. These are all video sales that I did. So you can delete your presentation. You can remove presentations, move to trash, and also you can recover it when you head back to your trash, your Google Drive. So blank presentation, you can choose any of these available templates, or you click on this template gallery to see all the templates that are available. So it depends on your niche and what you want to use, what you want to do. So most people start from scratch, or sometimes I just in order to fasten my work I use a template, but it's good to start from scratch. When you learn from scratch, you can be able to use the templates more better. So now in a video sales letter, when you're presenting, I prefer you not to use a white background. Prefer you to use either something dark or colorful. So white background, I don't think, because people really pay attention to videos like that, though they pay attention, but it's either if you are animating something or not. But in presentation, I've discovered out of experience that you can use a colored background. So you can choose any colored from here. So let me just use this simple black background, and I will show you guys how to add text. So you can add text here. I can just call this demo presentation, and you can add other text here. So your text, you can change the font size with this. So if you want to change the font size with this text, you just Ctrl A, that is select all, and you can reduce the size, you can increase the size. Also you can change the fonts. You want something else, let's say you want this Maserati, you can change the fonts. So you can also change the colors of your text by heading over to text color, this A. So you can choose something like blue, you can choose pink, it depends on you. So you can also highlight text. You can also highlight this text. Maybe you want it to stand out, you can highlight it and choose a color for it. So I'll use this blue, so you can highlight it. So that's it. You can add text here with this text box. You can add text here, and by clicking here and dropping it, then you can add your text. So that's that about that. So you can also add shapes, different shapes, and to your presentation, different shapes. You can change the colors of the shape by heading over to here. This is the fill color. You can make it either transparent, you can make it either white or transparent. You don't want anything to be in it, or you can change the color. Also you can change the border color to something you like. Here's red, yeah. And you can also change the border size to something big. You can change the border style, so it depends on you, like I said. So this is all about using Google Slides. Now you can have a line that connects things together, depend on if like you're drawing something for somebody, like if it's a flow or a simple presentation. It's just the basic principles of using Google Slides. So you can print out this slide. You can save it as a PDF file by clicking you can save it as a PDF file, but first what you need to do is save your presentation. So I'll call this demo slide. I'll just call it demo slide. So I'll call it demo slide, and it should be saved on my Google Drive. So you can add more slides to this presentation by clicking on this plus icon, and you can change the layout of this particular slide if you don't want this kind of layout. So there are different layouts to your slides, you can change it. And also you can add images. When you're going to insert image, you can search on web here, but I don't prefer you do that because the web search here is not that good. Or you can upload from your computer. So you can go to your images, you search on image, and you can just upload something like this. Close this. Just simple drag and drop, or you just upload it by yourself and paste it here. So you can also animate your images and all that. If you want to animate an image, click on it and see this animate option, click on it, and you choose the animation you want, whether you want it fast or slow or whatever. So that's about that. Then when you're done, click on play, but I'm not animating this image. So now to get your presentation after having your slides and all that, you just click on this present button. But first you head over to this first slide, then click on present, and this is your slide. And you can press escape key or this X icon to go out of your representation. So what I want to show you guys is the movement in your presentation. So I'll add more slides, and if I click on present, sorry, head back to the first one. I want to show you guys something. So I'll click on present, and this is our slide. So on your keyboard, you don't want your arrows to be moving. You just keep on tapping this icon or key, keep on tapping it, so you are moving to different slides. So that's how it works. So as you're voicing over, you're talking over a presentation, you're just moving your arrow key on your slides. So that's that. When you're done, click on the escape key or your X icon that's showing here. So that's how you do a simple presentation with Google Slide. So for recording your video, I use this software. It's free. It's apowersoft.com/free online screen recorder. I'll leave the link down below for you to get it. So once you head over here, you download the app, you download it, and you follow the installation process. It installs on your PC or your MacBook. Then you can now start recording your slides. So when you're done recording your slide, click on stop and you save your video. So that's about that. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like this, please subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video with your friends.